Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have just finished filming the building of the MiniVerse Make It Mini Hello Kitty spaces. Super cute, absolutely love this. And I was looking at the little baskets that go in this display. So they're supposed to be like, I guess like little wicker baskets. And they just, to me, they don't match. They don't pop. So I think I'm going to do a little customization on these. Super fast, not a big deal, really easy to do. So if you look at the baskets, you can see that the raised parts, right? The bow, the eyes, the nose, the whiskers, and then the little trim all the way around. So why don't we help these match this a little bit better? So what I have done is I've grabbed my favorite acrylic markers. Is this set by Ohuhu. I have shown these in a previous video. I absolutely love them. So what I did was I pulled the white, the red, and the black. And what I'm looking at is the lights. These lights. Okay. The black eyes, black whiskers, the yellow nose, the red bow, and then the white body. So speaking of that, let's pull a yellow, because we'll need to do the nose. I was going to do it black, but that's yellow, so we will do it to match. So I pulled the black, the red, the white, and the yellow. And what I'm going to do is basically customize these just on the raised parts to match that. So let me get started and I'll show you at the end. Alright, you guys, so what do you think about my little baskets? Don't they look cute? A little more custom, a little more matching with the theme of the spaces. Yeah, I think that made like a huge difference. I really like it. Is this something that you would want to do with yours? Again, I will link the markers as well as the Hello Kitty MiniVerse spaces that was just released over in my description box. So if you're interested, run over there and check it out. Don't forget, it's Amazon Prime Days, so there are some great deals over there. So I know these markers are a really good price right now, and yeah, go and see if there's anything you're interested in, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.